What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We took the 2J out of the Supra. In this video we're gonna tear it down.
Of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
So we're gonna take a little break from the engine. So first and foremost, we got our Manley piston kit. Got our piston rings. So check these out. Man, these are beautiful. Shout out to John from Real Street. Hooked me up with some swag. Appreciate the help and the swag. Got our Manley connecting rods. Forged piston rods. We've got the old pistons out. They were in pretty good shape. Our forged Manley connecting rods. This is going to be such a sweet setup. Check those out. So got the crank out. Overall, the block is looking pretty good. This is the full teardown of the 2JZ non-turbo GE motor. And this block is going off to the machine shop. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Oh, one more thing I wanted to mention. I did end up getting a transmission for this new setup. So I want you guys to comment and guess which transmission I got for this build. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.